and we're gonna play SND, some more search and destroy. So yeah. Anyways, this is my gun. I don't like this gun. Actually, yeah, I don't like this gun because it kind of sucks, but I kind of like it. Yeah, this is legendary. Yeah. Random. I want to pick random. I don't like wet work. Come on, let's do this. Depot. Okay, let's play.
Now get this shit unloaded. Ah, clearly my winning personality's brought you back.
Okay, come on. Oh, I hate this map. Ready to play sucker. So which gun should I pick? Yeah, I'm gonna pick
Search and destroy.
Okay, you ready, guys? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. So I might automatically die for no reason. I suck at this. Oh my god. Are you serious? Okay, this is...
Bomb has been planted.
Ooh. Ah. Okay. Come on. Hold up. I'll be back.
Bomb defused. Good job, team. Get ready for the next round.
I'll be not talking. Okay.
Switching sides. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. We've got the bomb. Complete the mission, Marine. You're the only one left. We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one.
Well guys, I'm gonna wrap it up, and thank you guys for watching. If you did, please like this video or just watch this video because I really need views. And subscribe and like and comment what is your favorite gun in this game, if you even have this game. So see you guys, sayonara.